guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Isa if you're new. Welcome to another video. Today's video is so exciting. I've been working on this for an entire month now. For today's video, I have partnered with multiple Amazon brands to show you guys the best iPad Pro accessories and what you should get from Amazon, affordable things, and some awesome accessories that you can have. So if you want to go shop, all the links are going to be down below for you guys to shop. So I'm so excited. Let's go ahead and get started with today's video. So I have the iPad Pro from 2020 and this is what it looks like right now. Sneak peek, this is a new case. So I have quite a few cases, and then I have some accessories for the Apple Pencil, which I think is so cool. So let's get started with the case that I have on my iPad right now. So this case is from DTTO, and I reached out to this company. I chose a kind of like a purple mauve color, and I wanted to switch it up a bit. So this is the first case. So this case is very affordable. It is only $14.99 and it's such great quality. It has, so on the sides you can put your Apple Pencil. It has a flap that you close. On the back it protects the cameras from the iPad, which I think is so great. And they also sent me an iPhone case, but that is going to be in another video. But overall, really good brand. Very excited. I have been using this case for a few days now, and I think it's so perfect. So the next case is from Tineeowl. So this is a brand that has multiple accessories for different devices, but I chose a case for my iPad Pro. So this is how it comes. So this is the brand. It comes like this. You take it out and this is how it looks. It comes with a little foamy thing and it is transparent but a hard case. Look at that. So pretty, and I love the color. It's like a very soft pink, which I love. So this case is on the pricier side, I would say. So this is $29.99 and it has a hard case on the back and it has a space for you to put your Apple Pencil. Let's go ahead and try it. Okay, so this is how it looks. It looks so sleek. I love it. It has a clear like paper feel case on the back, and you can just open it and close it. It's also very protective. All of these are going to be very protective because they protect all of the sides of the iPad, which I think it's a must because if you drop your iPad, this is going to save it. Okay, so definitely recommend this case. Really good quality. Protects the camera, protects the sides. So for reference, this case and this one, the only thing that changes, I think, is the material. So this one is like a really like a rubber type of material, but it does protect the sides as well, but just it's not like a hard case. And this one, it's a hard case on the back. So that is the difference. If you like cases like this one, you can go get this one. If you like hard cases, this one is a good one. Okay, so the next brand is named ESR. So this is how it came. So I have two different cases to show today, and then I have a screen protector, and this is a paper feel screen protector, but I'm going to save this for a different thing that I'm not going to say in this video. But I also got this, and I'm going to be reviewing this paper feel screen protector in another video. So let's go ahead and review these cases. So they are both pink cases because if you can't already tell, I love pink. So they come in a card box like this, and when you take them out, in here. Okay, so this one is more of like a rose gold color in the front and a very pinky color in the back. And this case is very similar to the DTTO one, so it's really like bendable, but the sides are like a hard case. So this case is $16.99, which I think is a very good price. This one is protective as well. I really like cases that protect all of the sides of the iPad because I hate those like magnetic cases because they don't protect the sides of the iPad, so if you drop it, it will probably get scratched. I love the feel, so soft, which I love. And the front, it has a little thing that you open, and this is very soft. You close it and there you go. It protects the camera, so that is good. So it's very well made. So it has a hole for the charger, the speakers, and everything. Let's go ahead and review the other one. So literally all of these are a 10 out of 10. I really like finding brands that are very good quality and have good customer service also, which they did, and I really enjoyed that. This is the other one. It's also pink. So this one has a flap and it's a hard case. So let's go ahead and open it. So this is what it looks like. And on the back, it has a little flap that you open. It's magnetic. Comes with this foam thing as well, and it protects the sides, which I love. And this is a kind of like a matte material but a hard case, so it doesn't bend. Hard material. I love the detailing of the magnetic thing right here. And let's try it on the iPad. So I know I have a few cases now for myself, but I am going to be sharing these cases with my family members. This is what it looks like. I have the gray iPad, so this is how it looks on with the case. Turn it around, and when you have a flap here, this case is $14.99. I wanted to mention that with the other case from ESR, the same brand, you can actually put this right here and you can stand your iPad like this. And with this one you can do that as well, but it's not actually the same. You can stand your iPad, but it doesn't have the magnetic thing that this one has. Difference between this one and this one. These two are from the same brand, ESR, and this one right here is like the rubber material on the back, and this one is a hard case. This one does not have a flap attached to the back, and this one does. And you can stand your iPad with both of these. Okay, so in total we reviewed 4 different cases and 3 different brands. Honestly, give a 10 out of 10 to every single case. What changes are the prices, I think, the materials, but one thing that is very important is that every single case is protective. So honestly, they are very affordable. The only one that is kind of on the pricier side is this one. This one is $30 from Tineeowl. All of these are from Amazon, so if you want to go shop, links are down below. I am so happy with all of these, and thank you to all of these brands for sending me these products to review, because I want you guys to have the best products and accessories for your iPad. So we have 2 different brands left, and this one is so different. I thought it was something that a lot of people could use. So this brand is named TOMTOC. So this right here is a hard case but with a lot of things inside. So it comes in this packaging. I chose the color light blue, and it is so beautiful. It's kind of like a luggage material, you know what I mean? It's actually very big. Like, this is my hand compared to this. So it has a zipper, and when you open this, it has so many compartments for you to put your chargers your mouse, your Apple Pencil, your iPad, everything. So basically you open it and it has a little side here to put things in, and on the other side it has a lot of spaces to put your chargers and everything. When you go to the kind of like the last slide, you can put your iPad in here and it's safe and secure and you can travel with it. So it's a perfect case for traveling, and I am so excited to use this because I do travel quite a lot. So this is going to be such a good product for me to use when I travel. You don't need to use it for travel, but you can use it to go to school or to put your chargers or every single thing that you need to pack to go somewhere. This is so perfect. So the material and the quality of this, it is very, very good quality. This one was $32.99. Honestly, I think it's such a good price for the amount of space that you get, the quality. So also on the outside, it has a little thing that you can carry it around like this. And the last company that I'm going to be reviewing today is Uppercase. So I'm going to put a little montage here of me unboxing the Uppercase accessories that I got, because I did do a TikTok which I loved. So I'm going to put it right here. So as you saw on the TikTok, this is what I unboxed. So basically this little thing that you see right here is a stand for your Apple Pencil, which I think is so awesome and cool. So you can have this on your desk so you don't lose your Apple Pencil, because that happens to me a lot. And it comes with the matching sleeve, so a sleeve for the Apple Pencil, and basically it is the cutest thing. You can just put it like this in your desk, and isn't that the cutest thing? The little stand, it's $14.99, and then the sleeve is $10.99. So you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope you liked this review. Every single link is going to be down below. Thank you so much for watching, you guys. I am so grateful for the platform I have and for you guys that watch my videos, and without you I wouldn't be able to make these videos and these reviews for you. So if you like this video, make sure to go ahead and subscribe down below so you don't miss another one, and I will see you in my next one. Bye guys!